Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on SAP Generative AI training videos on anubhavtrainings.com. In the last episode, we talked about what is SAP Generative AI Hub. In our today's session, we will discuss about how to set up our SAP AI Core service into our SAP BTP free tier account so that we can get started to consume the SAP Generative AI Hub and foundational model, including, for example, orchestration services. So let's get started into the system and set up our SAP AI Core service. Great. So now coming back to assign the entity assignments. So we are going to go back to service assignments to our sub account, and we're going to assign the subscriptions and services which we would like to use for our sub account. So I can just go back entity assignment once again, and there I will choose my sub account which I've just created. I just have to refresh there. So we select the sub account which is now ready, and here I will edit and add service plan and assign here the AI related service. So core AI, I will go with free plan and extended plan. Yeah, that I'm assigning to my account. And AI Launchpad, I'm going standard plan and free plan also. Yes. So this is the plan I'm choosing for both the AI Core and AI Launchpad service. And I will also add SAP HANA based plan because I will be later on using the vector database from HANA. So don't worry, just by doing the assignment, it is not going to cost you anything until unless you start consuming this service. Okay. So many people think if I assign something to my account, will it start costing me immediately? Not at all. And once this training is complete, we will dismantle this account. So you will not be charged anything at all. In fact, you can delete the sub account and the associated subscriptions and services will get deleted and your billing will stop. So that's one thing we add. And then I'm going to also add Cloud Foundry environment, the free environment. Yes. And build code, of course, I would like to use. And the memory is also there, which is it is going to get you the memory assignment by default based on consumption. How much you consume, that much memory it is going to charge you for. Great. So these are the some of the things. And HANA Cloud also I will add it. HANA Database. These are the different plans. There are free tier plans. So most probably wherever um, there's a free plan possible, I will be utilizing the free plan actually. Okay. I will not be using the paid plans. So we add these services and we save it. Great. Oops, I forgot to add the Business Application Studio service in the free plan mode actually, because that's what I'm going to also use for the purpose of my application development. So let me first come back and search Business Application Studio, and I will go with the, do we have a free plan? Yes, we have a free plan application, Business Application Studio plan. So I will opt for that, and build code free also is there. Yes, and that's it. We will add this as well to my account. Perfect. So now my account is ready. My sub account is ready to start consuming these corresponding services and to be able to start my development. So right away, I go to Account Explorer and switch to my sub account and enable Cloud Foundry first of all with free plan. And I just have to check the checkbox. It may cost, yeah, resulting can cost something for me. So I enable the Cloud Foundry now. I also create a space because when you create an application, a Python application, and you deploy it, it's going to be deployed into a space. So let's also do that. Create a dev space, click on create button. Great, fabulous. And now you can start subscribing services. So first of all, I will subscribe instance and subscriptions. I will be creating an instance of AI core service. So we'll choose AI core service and we choose extended plan actually. Let's call it as AI core Anubhav and click on create. So it's creating a AI core service instance. With that, thank you so much for watching this video with me today. If you feel this content is helping you, kindly subscribe and share this channel in the WhatsApp group of your company teams. And I hope to see you in my next episode. Happy learning. Till then, goodbye and see you again.